In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Management Information System, often called MIS report. The MIS report is very useful because it provides you with volume data as opposed to value data, which you find in the income statement and balance sheet. In the MIS report, you find how much you have sold, how many units you have sold, how many units you have produced, and some element on the cost and other elements. So we will look at the first section here, which concerns the sales as well as the production. Regarding sales, just like in the income statement, they are broken down in standard sales, meaning sales of the standard products of your company, and deluxe sales, so sales of your deluxe product. As you remember from the income statement, you can sell in four ways: to consumers, to yourself, intra-company from one area to another, intercompany to another company, or use your components in the production of your PCs. So here, for instance, we see that these guys have sold to consumers 21,419 PCs of their standard grade. They have sold to themselves 9,000 chips, which went actually to Brazil, probably, and then they have sold to another department of theirs 20,000 PCs. Finally, they have used in the US 16,000 in the production of their own PC in the US. There are no sales regarding deluxe products. Now, if we look at the manufacturing cost analysis, what we see is by plant, PL1, PL2, PL3, that means plant number 1, plant number 2, plant number 3. As you recall, each plant can produce the standard grade or the deluxe grade. And so we will have here the cost of production of their standard grade, the number of units produced, and possibly, when it is the case for PC, the component value, the value of chips in the PC. These guys have only produced standard products, standard PCs, in their first plant, in their plant number 1. So they have produced 16,000 PCs, that's the number of units. The total cost for that, direct cost, actually the variable cost, is 2,322,590. So if you want to know the cost per unit, the variable cost per unit, you just have to divide this figure by this one. Underneath, we have a piece of information that is interesting. It's the value of the chips at variable cost that have been used to produce these PCs. So you could say almost half the cost of a PC is the chip. And that also means this 1.1 million is included in this 2.3. They have the same situation in Brazil. They have produced fewer PCs. And of course, the cost is not the same because we are now talking reals as opposed to dollars. And then that's essentially it for this side of the MIS report.